Guess what's on the menu today? Spicy Thai wings. Let's go. So let's get started with the ingredients. Our chicken wings here, we're gonna use some chopped garlic. We're gonna use some fish sauce. We have Thai chili sauce, baking powder, some coconut aminos. Now, if you don't have coconut aminos, you can use soy sauce. We have some rice vinegar here, fresh lime juice, sesame oil, sriracha sauce. In this bowl, we have chili flakes, salt, garlic powder, and pepper, and we have brown sugar. So these are the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, in the first step, we're gonna start seasoning our chicken. So we're gonna add our baking powder here, and we're gonna add our dry seasoning here that we have. And we're gonna get that a good mix like this. All right, so we're gonna move this to the side and bring in a clean bowl, and we're gonna start making our Thai sauce. So we're gonna add our Thai chili sauce, our brown sugar, sesame oil. I'm sorry, that was fish sauce. Coconut aminos, here's our sesame oil, our rice vinegar, the lime juice, and our sriracha sauce. And all we're gonna do now, we're just gonna give that a mix like this. So now let's bring our chicken back into our shot. And we're gonna take about a half a cup of our Thai sauce that we just made, and we're gonna pour it over our wings like this. And guys, we're gonna get this mixed up. And we're gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes. All right, so while we're waiting our 20 minutes, what we're gonna do is start preparing our baking sheet. I've already lined it with aluminum foil, and I'm gonna spray some cooking spray over here. And guys, you can also air fry these if you want, or you can fry them also. But I'm gonna break them this time. All right, so let's start adding our chicken pieces. So you already know how we do it. We always add them skin side down, and we kind of like a little spacing in between them so we can let that heat circulate for that even cook that we're always looking for. All right, so now that we have them all on our baking sheet, what we're gonna do is we're gonna place them in the oven on 400 degrees. We're gonna cook them for 40 minutes. Then we're gonna turn them over midway through the cooking process. So about around 20-minute mark, we're gonna flip them over. All right, let's get them in the oven. So while our wings are cooking, we're gonna continue preparing our glaze. So what we're gonna do is add our garlic here in the pan. And we're gonna just get this moved around for about a minute, or a little less than a minute, because you don't wanna burn your garlic. So make sure you do it over a medium heat. And once you start smelling that fragrance of the garlic, at that point, you want to start adding your remaining of your Thai sauce. So like I said, it just depends on how high your heat is before you start smelling that. Looks like I'm getting into it right now, but make sure you don't burn your garlic. Burnt garlic is the worst. All right, so let's start adding our remaining of our Thai sauce. And guys, we're gonna cook this over a medium heat for about 5 minutes because we want that sauce to thicken up. All right, so we're 5 minutes in. The sauce has thickened. As you can take a look at this, the sauce has thickened. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop our heat, turn it off. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour this in a measuring cup, or you can put it in a bowl, it doesn't matter, whichever one is comfortable for you. And we're gonna sit this aside until our wings are done. All right, so now that we are 20 minutes in, we're gonna start flipping these wings over on the other side to allow that even cook that we're looking for. All right, so now we're just gonna stick them back in the oven for an additional 20 minutes and we'll be right back. Now we're back after another 20 minutes. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our sauce that we created and we're going to brush it down, brush our wings with the sauce. All right, so now that we have them brushed down, we're gonna stick them back in there for another 3 to 5 minutes and let that sauce cook into them. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn them over after 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're gonna do the other side, but I'm not gonna show you that. I'm just gonna let you know to go ahead and do that. Then we're gonna pull them back out, all right? All right, so now we are complete. Look at what we have right here. So now I'm gonna remove them from our baking sheet. I'm gonna put them in the bowl and we're going to take the remaining of that sauce and guess what? We're gonna toss them again. All right, so we just have a little sauce left. So all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and just pour the rest of it on there like that. And guys, I'm just gonna do you know how we do a little shaky bakey like this. Man, look at that. All right, so let's go ahead and get these on a bowl so we can test them out. All right, so now in good old Thai fashion, what we're gonna do is we're going to sprinkle some cilantro over it like this. Just a little cilantro, give it a little color, not much. And also we're gonna add some green onions over the top as well. And guess what else? Come back over there with some red chili flakes. Guys, and there we have it. Spicy Thai chicken wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and get into quality control. All right, so now it's time for quality control. You guys already know we love this part of the show. So let me go ahead and show you what that wing, that Thai chicken wing like. Look at that, oh man. Let's go ahead and take a bite of it. Man, this baby here is good. Try one of these flats now. The flavor is so, man, it's awesome. The spiciness, I'll put it at probably like a 6. Not really spicy, so guys, don't be scared. To make this, just cut down on, if you don't want to use the chili flakes, cut down on chili flakes. That's pretty much what I'm tasting. Oh man. So guys, I'm gonna get out of here. These are awesome. Oh man. So until then guys, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything. And yes, y'all already know, I ain't no chef. I just cook a lot and I'm out. Peace.